What is up, Slay Gang? What's up, Slay Gang? It is your girl, MaryB, and today I am back with another video for y'all today on the channel. Hey, I've been doing, how y'all been feeling? I know I've been gone for 2 months. Y'all know I'm very inconsistent. Let's move on. But yeah, as y'all can see by the title down below, I'll be giving y'all an eyebrow tutorial. As y'all know, I love me some eyebrows, but today I'll be giving y'all a blue eyebrow tutorial. If you didn't catch my last eyebrow tutorial, go ahead and click on that video. It's there up on my page. I did the red eyebrow tutorial and I had red hair, but now I'm giving you that blue eyebrow and that blue hair, period. Before I start this video, make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe and become part of the what, the who, the Slay Gang. Okay, because we lit over here, baby, and it's on wet. Mary had a little lamb. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Okay, now y'all, let's get right into the video. Boom. So, as y'all can see, I am giving y'all bare face. Mary, do y'all see that skin, honey? I love it. But yeah, let's get right into this beautiful tutorial that I'm about to do for y'all today. Not notifications popping up. Please don't do that. Yes, but I know your girl been gone for a while, but she gotta bring it back. Let's start off with this. This is the eyebrow brush. This one has the pencil and a brush at the end, and this is in the color Espresso. So I like to brush my eyebrows up. Honestly, y'all, I need my eyebrows done. This is ghetto. Like, I have way too much hair going on. Boom. Now that we have brushed the eyebrows up, now it is time to fill them in with our pencil. The other end of the brush. Y'all can see me, yeah. I'm looking in the mirror right here. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna fill in them brows. Can y'all see? I hope y'all can see. Okay, so y'all, we have filled this eyebrow in. I know it looks crazy. It always looks crazy when the first time, but we know that. Let's go to the next one though. I'm just trying to make sure that y'all see me. So if you see me looking at the camera side eye, y'all, please no offense to that. So now that both eyebrows are filled in, you don't need to fill them in as much because you're also going to go over with that blue. We're focusing on the blue. So after you're done filling in your brows, you're going to brush the hairs up again, kind of blend in what you just did. Just a little bit, and then brush them hairs back up into your filling. I need my eyebrows done so bad. This is an emergency. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with our angle brush. As you can see, I've used it before with my blue eyebrows and I didn't clean it, but I only use these brushes on my face and mind your business. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with my Julia palette. Okay, this palette is called Afrique. I think it's Afrique. And we're gonna go into it with this color right here. I don't know French. I think this is French, I don't know. But yeah, we're going in with this color. And just as we did, if you have seen my last makeup tutorial with my red eyebrows. We're gonna go in and fill it in just like we did it. And we're gonna pat in the eyeshadow. I don't know, I love eyeshadow when I do this because I feel like it's very pigmented. Oh, you see that blue? Oh, you see that blue? Look, like I said, it's very pigmented. I love it. That's why I just stick to my eyeshadow. I haven't bought any pencils at all. No pencils. Boom. Now we're done with this eyebrow. Let's go to our next one. You're going to do the same thing. Can y'all see? Yeah, y'all can see. I messed up. Okay. Let's continue. Okay, so now that we have filled out the brows with that brighter blue palette that we use, now we're gonna go in with our other Juvia Place palette, and this is called the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's, period. And we're gonna go in with the color Chi, but this color right here, honestly, it's more like a darker blue than the other one. This blue is more darker because, as you can see, my eyebrows are very much a light blue. So we're going to tone them down, and we're going to go ahead. We don't have to clean out the brush. We're going to go ahead and with the other color and pat them eyebrows in. Girl, go do it. I am right now. That about look crazy, y'all. Boom. Now that we have filled in both our eyebrows and they're both very blue, as you can see, now we're gonna go in with our LA Girl Concealer. Y'all can see it because that little thing on there. We're gonna go in with our LA Girl Concealer in the color Toffee. That's the color I always use. Clean up our eyebrows. Yeah, I'm gonna clean up. And I like to take a little bit on my hand. And I use the brush, as y'all know. I don't use the angle brush. I use the actual brush that it comes on. Oh, am I talking too low for y'all? No, it's quiet. But yeah, so now we're gonna outline the brow, and yeah, let's get to it. Wait, but before I do that, let me take my... Before I do that, let me take my brush again, and I'm going to just brush a little bit of eyeshadow so that it won't look so thick at the beginning. Let's take a little bit on our brush, a little bit concealer on our brush, and let's clean up the brows and make them look very, very nice and neat and beautiful. Get to it. Concealed our under eye, or our underbrow. So as you can see, we have concealed our underbrow. And I usually take my finger, but since we're on YouTube, let's go ahead and do a little beauty blender. And we're gonna blend out our concealer that is under our eye. under our eyebrow. Okay. Take my brush again. Y'all need to get my eyebrows done, so that's why I'm brushing the hairs up into my, So now let's conceal the top of our brow, but I like to start from the back and then work my way to the front. See me going in with my finger, but at the end of the day, this my face. I'm just keeping it a buck. Just don't take it with me, but yeah. So now I'm just blending out the concealer that I just put on my face. My face. Okay. Boom. I don't know if I really like that eyebrow right now, but we're gonna keep going. Okay, as y'all can see, this eyebrow is concealed, and now we're gonna go and do our other one just as we did this one. Same thing, same concept. Let's go. Take our beauty blender. Now the top. Let's see at the bottom. Now let's clean up the top. And y'all. Now, as y'all can see, your girl is back and both eyebrows are now concealed. Now, I'm going to go in with my angle brush that I love. Now, y'all know my eyebrows are not completed without my splits, slices, whatever you want to call them. That's what I'm about to do. So, like I said, I take this thin angle brush, as y'all can see. Very much thin. She's very much thin. Please do not mind my fingers, y'all. I'm a working girl. Yeah, sis got a new job, so her hands are, don't worry about them. But yeah, so we're going to go with that same concealer that we use to conceal our eyebrows. Color Toffee. And get my concealer. Just like this. Then I'm going to go in. Y'all want one or two? Can y'all see? So go in. Y'all see that? Y'all? And then I just blend out the extraness with my finger and the excess concealer. Because the goal of doing this is to make it appear as if you cut your actual eyebrows. I'm not about to cut my actual eyebrows because I just started having some and I refuse to cut them. Refuse. Cut my eyebrows. You cut your eyebrows. Some people do. But I'm not about that life. So we're going to keep concealing them up. Freakers. So, I think I'm feeling another cut on this side, so let's get into it. And boom, there you have it. Your girl has blue eyebrows. Yay! Now I'm about to come back with y'all as I complete my whole entire look, and I'm gonna get back on the screen and I'm gonna show y'all my ending results. Boom. This is the finished look. This is the finished product. I just did a little cute lip liner, put on my little cute lashes. These are the smallest ones I got. And just add a little more highlight, and I put some Vaseline on. That was the complete of this look. That is the finished product of this look. Let's give MaryB a round of applause. Then you make that let me see you get go, period. But yeah, I'm really loving this blue eyebrow look. I hope that y'all enjoyed the video. I hope that y'all was able to follow me through this video. I hope that y'all was able to pick up some tips. Shout out to Julia's Place for, you feel me, they blue palettes. No, not they blue palettes, but they palettes who have blue in it. Shout out to y'all. But yeah. Screenshot. Screenshot. This is the look. I hope that y'all enjoy. Make sure that you like, okay, subscribe, and become part of the what, the who, my gang, my squad, the slay gang. Become part of us because we lit over here, baby, and that's some what? Mary Hallelujah. Oh, before I go, make sure that y'all follow me on all of my social media platforms. That is, yeah, follow your girl on TikTok. Follow your girl on Snapchat. Follow your girl on Facebook. Follow your girl on Instagram 2 times. Follow your girl on Big O now. Yes, y'all, I am officially on Big O, so y'all can follow me on there. I'll be up on having fun, cracking jokes, just getting to know people. Yeah, y'all can go follow me on there. I'm putting my @ name right there on Big O. And yeah, do all that. So yeah, this is me, your girl, MaryB, and I am out.